question number 9. A trader sells 2 cycles at 1188 each, gaining 10% on first cycle and losing 10% on the second cycle. What is the profit or loss percent in the whole transaction? So for first cycle, SP equal to SP of each cycle is given rupees 1188 and gain percent on first gain equal to 10%. So we have to find the loss percent in whole transaction. Means we know SP and we have to find the CP for first cycle. CP equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent 1188 into 100 upon 100 plus 10. 1188 into 100 upon 110. 0 0 cancel. 11 1 जा 11 8 जा. Then it will be 1080 rupees for second cycle SP equal to rupees 1188 and loss equal to 10%. Then CP equal to 100 into SP upon 100 minus loss percent. Okay, loss percent, it is 1188 into 100 into 100 into SP means 100 into 1188 upon 100 minus 10. 1000 into 1888 upon 90. 0 0 cancel. 9 1 जा 9 9 3 जा 27 9 2 जा. It is 1320 rupees. This is the SP. 1320 rupees. Now total CP of both cycles equal to 1080 plus 1320. Now when we will add, then 1400, 2400 means 2400. Now total SP of both cycles equal to 1088 plus 1088, then 6 7 3 2. It is total SP, it is total CP 2376. Okay, now SP is less than CP, so you will get loss equal to CP minus SP. CP 2400 minus 2376 equal to rupees 24. Loss percent means loss into 100 upon total CP. Loss 24 into 100 upon 2400. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 1 जा. Means he will get loss 1% on whole transaction. Okay, now question completed. Now question number 11. A manufacturer sells an article to a wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesale dealer sells it to shopkeeper at 20% profit. The shopkeeper sells it to the customer for rupees 56,100 at a loss of 15%. What is the cost price of the article to the manufacturer? So first of all, for shopkeeper, SP equal to SP of an article equal to rupees 56,100 and then loss equal to 15%. Then CP for shopkeeper, CP for shopkeeper equal to, if SP and profit percent, loss percent both are given, then CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Okay, 100 into 56,100 upon 100 minus 15 equal to 100 into 56,100 upon 85. Now 17 5s are 17, 17 5s are 85, 17 3s are 51, 17 3s are then 0 0. Then 5 1s are 5 2s are 20s are. It is 66,000. Now this is the CP for shopkeeper, CP, and CP for shopkeeper is the SP for wholesale dealer, for wholesale dealer, SP equal to rupees 66,000 and see, the wholesale dealer sells it to a shopkeeper at 20% profit. Profit equal to 20%. CP equal to SP, wholesale dealer SP equal to 66,000 rupees, profit equal to 20%. Then CP equal to 100 into SP upon 100 plus profit percent. Then it is 100 into 66,000 upon 100 plus 20 is 100 upon 120 into 66,000. So 0 0 cancel. 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60, then 2 0. Now yes students, this CP for wholesale dealer equal to rupees 5,500, 55,000. It is 55,000. Okay. Now for manufacturer, SP equal to rupees 55,000. Okay, manufacturer sells an article to wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. Profit equal to 10%. Then CP for manufacturer equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP. Then CP equal to, we have to put the value CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus 10 into SP 55,000 100 upon 110 into 55,000 0 cancel 11 5 it is 50,000. So CP for manufacturer is 50,000 rupees.